Okay, you guys, so this week you're going to be using a new technology. It's called Edpuzzle. And when you look in Google Classroom, you'll go to your classwork, you'll go under weekly assignments, and you will see this. It says Edpuzzle Paraphrase, how to paraphrase. I'm going to walk you through so that you know how to access the video. So you're going to go in, you're going to click on Edpuzzle, and you will see the clip of the video right here. So all you're going to do is click on the video. It's going to take you to the Edpuzzle page. You're going to click sign in with Google. After you click sign in with Google, it's going to take you to the video. It's that simple, you guys. There's nothing more to it. Now, if you look on the right hand side, these are all the questions that you have to watch in the video. Every time you see a little dot, it's because it's for a question. All you're going to do is go ahead, you're going to click play. The video is going to start playing, and you're going to watch a video. Whenever you get to a question, you will answer the question and then hit continue. So let me go ahead and play the video. I see on my right hand side at 1 minute and 28 seconds into the video, you're going to get a question. So I'm going to go ahead and play the video. You can decrease the volume of the video right here. One thing I have to tell you guys, you cannot fast forward the video. You have to watch the video in its totality. Make sure that you pay attention because, again, when you come to the little dots, you're going to be asked a question based on the video. Once you answer the question, you cannot go back and put in another answer. So you have to make sure, again, that you're paying keen attention. You can always press rewatch if you miss something. So don't be afraid to rewatch the video. That will give you even more information than before. So if you're watching the video, you have your notepads with it, you're taking notes, then you can go ahead and you can click rewatch, and that'll allow you to see the portion of the video that you missed or whatever information you missed. So please go ahead and make sure that you use that feature. Okay, so now we've come to our first question. We know that this question is a multiple choice question because it tells us, and then we have to choose the correct answer. You see this right here where it says rewatch. If you miss something or you think you're not ready to answer the question, just go ahead and click rewatch, and it will allow you to rewatch the video. Again, once you have submitted your answer, once you click the answer choice and submit, that's it. You cannot answer the question again. So at this point, I'm not going to submit a question, but if you get the question wrong, it will tell you right away that you have gotten it wrong. If you get it right, same thing, it will tell you you've gotten the question correct. If you have any questions, please make sure you just email me. If you're confused, you don't know what to do, again, just drop me an email and I will get back to you as quickly as I possibly can. Have fun watching the video.